Hey, gifted crafters, we're going to be jumping into the wonderful world of machine embroidery. So exciting, right? But then there's the software. Yeah, it can feel a little overwhelming, can it? So you're scrolling online and you're seeing these amazing projects, and you're just wondering, how in the world do they do that? Well, that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. We're going to demystify one of the most popular software choices out there, Embrilliance. Our goal here is pretty simple. We're going to break down the Embrilliance platform in a super easy, totally stress-free way, I promise. By the time we're done, you're going to know what it is, what all the different modules do, and most importantly, exactly where you should start. I think we've all been there. You have this amazing, powerful machine, but you feel kind of stuck with those handful of fonts that it came with. You see all of these gorgeous, personalized projects online, and you're just dying to know the secret. Well, this is it. This is where the software, like Embrilliance, becomes your new best friend. Okay, so let's get right to it. What even is Embrilliance? Honestly, the easiest way to think about it is like a creative toolbox for your embroidery. It's just one single program that acts like a platform to hold all of your different tools, and you can just add new tools into the box as you need them. This platform concept is so important. Here's why. It means you only have to download and learn one program. That's it. As you get more comfortable and want to try new features, you just purchase a new module and unlock them with the serial number. You never have to start from scratch trying to figure out the whole new piece of software. Everything happens in one place that you're already familiar with, the Embrilliance platform. And here it is, that one familiar place. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Oh boy, that's a lot of buttons. But trust me, don't let it scare you. The layout is actually really smart. And we're not just going to worry about what every single button is called. We're just going to focus on what they can do for you and your creativity. So, what does Embrilliance really do? It unleashes your creativity. It lets you take designs that you already own, whether they came with your machine or you brought them from a designer, and actually lets you modify them. You can finally mix and match designs, add names to things, and create something that's 100% uniquely you. So, how does this whole platform grow? I like to think of different Embrilliance modules kind of like a family. Each member has their own special job, and they all work together perfectly inside the same house. That one main program that you installed, Embrilliance. So let's meet the family. We have Express Mode, the friendly greeter who's totally free. Then there's Essentials, your everyday go-to helper. We've got Alpha Tricks, the absolute font genius. And there's Stitch Artist, who is the true artist of the bunch. Now, let's get to know them a little bit better. First up is Express Mode. Now, this isn't something that you buy. It's the free version that you get when you're downloading the software. Its main superpower is installing special embroidery fonts. You'll see them called BX files that let you type out the letters like a real font. It is the perfect way to test drive the software and get a feel without spending a penny. Next is Essentials. This is the one you have to pay for, and the name says it all. This is the program that lets you do all the, well, essential things. You want to combine a cute design with a child's name? This is what you need. If you want to resize a design, Essentials will automatically recalculate all the stitches so it looks perfect. It even removes hidden stitches where your designs overlap, which keeps your project from becoming a thick, stiff mess. This is a workhorse for most of us. Okay, are you a font collector? Do you see a cute font online and you just have to have it? If that's you, then Alpha Tricks is going to be your new favorite thing. It's a total game changer. It helps you take all of those alphabet fonts that you bought, the ones that are just individual letter files, and it magically maps them to your keyboard so you can just type with them, and it saves so much time. And finally, we have Stitch Artist. This is for when you're ready to create your very own designs right from scratch. It's a digitizing tool, which is really just a fancy way of saying that you can draw your own art and tell the software exactly how to turn it into stitches. It's amazing. And it comes in different levels so you can start simple and grow as your skills do. Okay, so that's the family. Now, for the $1 million question. With all of these choices, where do you begin? Don't worry, it's actually way simpler than it seems. Let's just walk through it together. First, if you just want to test out the water, install some cool BX fonts that you bought. Just download the program and use the Express mode for free. Simple. Second, if you're excited to write names on things and combine designs, start with Essentials. That's the most popular first step for a reason. Third, if you're already a font lover, add Alpha Tricks after you get the hang of Essentials. And finally, when you feel that little artist inside you wanting to create something totally new, that's your cue to look at Stitch Artist. See, there's no wrong path. And this is how easy it is to level up. When you buy a new module, you get a serial number. Just paste it into this box, click Set, and restart the program. And just like that, you've got your new features unlocked and ready to use. It's that simple. Really, it is. Okay, so now you know the what and the how, but the most important part is coming up next. You have to give yourself permission to just play and have fun. Seriously, don't worry about making everything perfect right away. Remember this. Every single project, even the ones that don't turn out quite right, teaches you something valuable. So just embrace the learning process. Click all the buttons, try things out, see what happens. That's how you really get the hang of the software and find your own creative flow. Feeling inspired? Here's a super fun idea for a first project. Just take a simple, cute design that you already have, like this little sailboat, and open it up in Essentials and just try adding a name right underneath it using one of the built-in fonts. That's it. It's a small, easy to do project that will give you a huge boost of confidence. So the only question left is, what will you create first? I really hope that this has helped the whole world of embroidery software feel just a little less intimidating and a whole lot more exciting. Now go have some fun and check out our next video in our series,